Hello learners, welcome to your own channel Abcabout English. और क्विज बाबा आपके लिए लाए हैं preposition quiz. So let's get started. The book is dash the table in, on, at, under. Your time starts now. The book is on the table. Question number 2. She is afraid dash dogs from, of, with, at. Your time starts now. She is afraid of dogs. Question number 3. He is going dash school to, at, in, on. Your time starts now. He is going to school. Question number 4. The cat is hiding dash the bed in, on, under, above. Your time starts now. The cat is hiding under the bed. Question number 5. We will meet dash Monday in, on, at, by. Your time starts now. We will meet on Monday. Question number 6. She is good dash singing in, at, on, with. Your time starts now. She is good at singing. Question number 7. The ball fell dash the box into, onto, above, beside. Your time starts now. The ball fell into the box. Question number 8. He is sitting dash me between, among, beside, inside. Your time starts now. He is sitting beside me. Question number 9. The picture is hanging dash the wall in, on, at, under. Your time starts now. The picture is hanging on the wall. Question number 10. She came dash bus on, by, in, with. Your time starts now. She came by bus. Question number 11. He lives dash Mumbai at, on, in, by. Your time starts now. He lives in Mumbai. Question number 12. The dog jumped dash the fence over, under, in, at. Your time starts now. The dog jumped over the fence. Question number 13. She walked dash the room quietly. Into, onto, at, over. Your time starts now. She walked into the room quietly. Question number 14. The keys are dash my bag. In, on, at, under. Your time starts now. The keys are in my bag. Question number 15. He stood dash the door. In, at, on, over. Your time starts now. He stood at the door. Question number 16. The teacher is standing dash the students. Between, among, beside, over. Your time starts now. The teacher is standing among the students. Question number 17. The plane flew dash the clouds. Above, under, in, at. Your time starts now. The plane flew above the clouds. Question number 18. She sat dash her friend. Between, beside, among, over. Your time starts now. She sat beside her friend. Question number 19. He arrived dash 5 p.m. In, on, at, by. Your time starts now. He arrived at 5 p.m. Question number 20. The cat jumped dash the table. Onto, into, under, beside. Your time starts now. The cat jumped onto the table. Quiz is over now. How much do you score? Tell me in a comment section. Thanks for watching.